Hello, Clear Creek kindergartners. This is Farmer Casper here to let you know that we have some exciting things planned for you. This week we have been to the farm, and my friend Sion, who runs the farm there, has graciously shared with us 12 beautiful chicken eggs. This is what they look like right now. Because these eggs had a daddy and a mommy, we are going to hope, fingers crossed, that we will take care of these little eggs just the way that Mother Hen would on the farm. And if we do a good job, we will get some chicks to hatch from those eggs in 21 days. I am placing the eggs in a special place today. It's called an incubator. See you later.